Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add all-in-one AI-powered chatbot on any website. It is not only for a WordPress website, you can add this chat widget on any website. Let me show you how does this work. Here I have a chat widget and currently you will see that I have 4 different options. Chat via SMS or email, chat via live chat, chat with voice and chat with Facebook. You can also add WhatsApp and Instagram options. If I click on chat via SMS or email, it is going to open a simple contact form where the user will be able to enter name, email, phone number and the message that will be sent to the admin. Let's go back. User will also be able to use the live chat where the admin or the team member will be available for the live chat support. Then we have the third option, chat with voice. Here we are going to add voice AI assistant who is going to pick up the call automatically and respond to the customer queries. So this is an AI powered voice assistant. Then we have chat with Facebook, in which we are going to link a Facebook page and the communication will be done using the Facebook Messenger. Again, as I said earlier, you can also add WhatsApp and Instagram options. The tool that I'm going to use is GoHighLevel, AI-powered business operating system. It is not only for the chat widget, there are many different tools and features that you can add to grow your business. Here you will see a list of all the features. You will get CRM and Pipeline Management. You can also create sales funnels. If you do not have any website, you can use Website Builder to create a website. You can also create surveys and forms. Email marketing automation is there. Two-way SMS marketing option is there. You can also create bookings and appointment system and workflow automation is there. In previous video, I have shown you how you can add a contact form on your website using GoHighLevel. So if you want to grow your business, you should definitely try using GoHighLevel system. The price of GoHighLevel starts from $97 per month, in which you can create 3 sub-accounts. So if you have 3 different businesses, you can create 3 different sub-accounts and use all these GoHighLevel features on all the 3 businesses. You can create unlimited contacts, you can also add unlimited users, and you will also get 24/7 support. If you are a marketing agency, you can go for unlimited plan, which will cost you only $297 per month, in which you can create unlimited sub-accounts. So you can sell GoHighLevel services to your existing customers. There is a 14 days free trial available on the GoHighLevel website. However, in the description box, I'll give you a link using which you will get 30 days free trial. Now let's see how we can add all-in-one chat widget on any website using GoHighLevel.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into my GoHighLevel sub account. This is a demo sub account that I have created for the video tutorials. Now we are going to create all-in-one chatbot which we are going to install on a website. If you do not have GoHighLevel account yet, there is a 30 days free trial. I'll give you the link in the description box if you want to go for a 30 days free trial. So let's go back to the dashboard. In the left hand panel, you will see different options. Let's click on sites and you will be on the dashboard of these sites. At the top, you will see different options. You can create sales funnels. If you do not have website yet, you can use GoHighLevel to create a website for your business. You can also create e-commerce store. You can create webinars. You can create blogs. If you want to create a WordPress website, you can use GoHighLevel platform to create a WordPress website. In previous video, I have shown you how you can create highly converting contact form and put it on any website. You can also create surveys, quiz, and here you will see the option chat widget. Let's click on chat widget. Here you will see one chat widget is already there. If you do not have any chat widget created yet, you will see an option here, new. Let's click on create new and you will see different types of chat widgets that you can create. All-in-one chat, SMS or email chat. If you want to create only SMS and email chat, you can go for this option, or you can go for live chat, Facebook chat, Instagram chat, WhatsApp chat and voice AI. I'm going to select all-in-one chat. Combine WhatsApp, live chat, email, SMS, Facebook, Instagram and voice AI in one widget for seamless customer communication. So I'm going to select this option, all-in-one chat. At the top, you will see a title for the chat. If you want to change it, you can change it. Let's change the title, demo all-in-one chat Alright, so this is going to be the title of the chat. This is for the internal purpose only. In the left hand panel, you will see the settings of this chat widget. Under chat type, we have different options. We have selected live, SMS and email, voice AI and Facebook. Right now, I do not have WhatsApp number integrated in GoHighLevel. That is why the WhatsApp option is disabled. Same thing with the Instagram. I do not have Instagram account linked with the GoHighLevel, and that is why it is disabled. I do have the Facebook page linked, and I have also created voice AI agent. So we have these 4 options. Let's say you do not want to use Facebook, then you can uncheck that option. I'm going to check that option. So we will have 4 different chat options. Below that, you will see all-in-one initial message. Choose a chat option to get started. Here you will see how the chat widget looks. If I click on it, it is going to open a chat widget, and this is the text here. Choose a chat option to get started. You will see it here. If you want to change that label, you can change that label. Below that, you will see appearance. Let's go to appearance, and this is the default appearance where we have the image. And if I select this one, you will see that image is gone. So I'm going to select this option, chat prompt, and for the chat icon, this one is selected. This is the chat icon. If you want to change, you can change the icon. If you have SMS, then you can select this one. If you want to upload, you can also upload it. I'm going to select this icon. Then we have themes. There are different themes that you can use. This one is blue theme. Then we have green. If I click on it, this is how the green theme will look. This one is a brown color. So you will see different colors are there. If you want to customize the colors, you can also customize the colors. I'm going to select this option here. Then we have a welcome message. Hi there, have a question, chat with us. If I minimize it, you will see this message. Hi there, have a question, chat with us. If you want to customize that label, you can customize it from here. Then we have enable custom greeting. Welcome back. How can we help you today? This message will be shown to the returning customer. If there is a returning customer, it is going to show this message automatically. Then we have widget customization, where you want to show this widget. You will see it is set to bottom right hand corner. If you want to change it to bottom left hand corner, you can select this option, top left hand corner. I'm going to select bottom right hand corner, and this is the avatar. If you want to change this image, you can replace it. You can upload your own image, which will be shown here, and the alt text for this image is set to avatar. Then we have widget dimension, which is set to auto. If you want custom size, you can use custom size. From here, you can change the size, chat widget width and chat widget height. I'm going to keep it on auto. At the top, you will see chat window. Let's go to chat window, and this is the chat window. Under title and intro, you will see chat window title, have a question. You will see it here. Again, if you want to change these labels, you can change it from here. Enter your question below, and representative will get right back to you. If I click on this chat or SMS, you will see this text here. Let's go back. So this intro message is for the chat via SMS and email. Then we have enable contact form. Let's enable the contact form. Please share contact details. And these are the fields which are currently selected. If you want to add more fields, you can add more fields. Let's add email. You can also add message. You will see those fields are added automatically here. So this is going to be a quick contact form. Below that, we have pre-filled message text. This is the message text. I want to know more. Then we have send button text. And for the voice AI, send action text is call us here. If I go back to chat with voice, you will see this here, call us here. And here we have a button, redirect call to action. If you want the customer to redirect to any specific page, you can enter the URL of that page. For more details, please visit our website. So after filling up the form, they will be redirected to that specific page. I'm going to disable it for now. Then we have live chat assigned message here. Please share contact details. Let's go back here. This is for the chat via live chat, and you will see it here. Give us a minute to assign you the best person to help you out. And timeout delay user inactivity time is 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, if the user is inactive, it is going to close the chat automatically. And this is the message that will be shown. Looks like no one is available. Live chat closed. Again, you will see chat closed due to user inactivity. This is the message that will be shown if the chat is closed automatically because of the inactivity. Then we have live chat business hours setups. If you want to set up live chat for a specific time period, you can enable that option, and here you can set up the business hours. Current date is set to Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you want to change it, you can change the time, let's say 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and you can also copy this time to all the days and apply it. So for all the days, it will be available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So this is how you can set up business hours for the live chat. Right, I'm going to disable it for now. Then we have Facebook chat setup. Now here I have linked my Facebook page with the GoHighLevel account. That page is shown here. If I want to use the Facebook chat widget, I'm going to click on connect or linked Facebook page, and that page will be linked with the chat widget automatically. So if I go back and if I go to chat with Facebook, right now it is not linked with the Facebook page. That's why it is showing up the contact form. All right, below that we have additional options. And under additional options, we have notification sound, allow sending voice notes, allow sending attachments. Then we have agency branding powered by, you can enter your website name here. I'm going to enter my website name here, and you can also enter your website URL. All right, and you will see a branding here. Then we have consent checkbox for HIPAA. You will see the consent checkbox here, and by default it is checked. And this is the legal message. You will see it here. If you want to change that, you can change the legal message. Now, in order to use the chat with voice, you will need to create a voice AI. I have already created one. If I go to the dashboard again, on the dashboard in the left hand panel, you will see the option AI agents, and under AI agents at the top, you will see voice AI. If you go to voice AI, you will be able to create a new voice AI agent, which you can use to handle the phone calls. So the voice AI agent will pick up the call and it is going to respond to the customer queries automatically. If I go to agent list, you will see I have one agent created and I have one phone number assigned to this agent. So if someone calls on this number, it is going to pick up the call automatically and it is going to answer the customer queries. And this voice agent I'm using on this live chat option. You will see it here. This is the name of the agent that I have used. In the upcoming video, I'll show you how you can create a voice AI agent in GoHighLevel. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you think this video is useful, do not forget to like the video. Now let's go to the messaging tab here. And here we have live chat acknowledgement. Your chat has ended. Please rate your experience. Then we have thank you for taking your time. So these are the messages that will be shown after the chat is ended. Then we have chat ended message to start a new chat, and these are the acknowledgement icons. Placeholder color is there. Under acknowledgement, we have customer support contact. Here you can enter your business phone number, which will be displayed after the chat is ended. And we have acknowledgement message. One of our representatives will contact you shortly, and thank you. Below that we have language, select language, and there are different languages that you can select from. I'm going to select English language. Let's go to agent, and for the voice AI, again I have one voice AI agent created and that agent is linked here. Right now, once you are done with the settings of the chat widget, click on save. All right, and here you will see an option get code. Click on get code. It is going to give you one code that you will need to enter on your website. So I'm going to copy this code. It can be installed on any website. In this example, I'm going to use a WordPress website. However, if you have HTML website or PHP website or a website on any other platform, you can add this code on your website and the chat widget will be displayed on your website automatically. Basically, you will need to enter this code in the head section of your website so that it will be displayed on all the pages. So let's go to the website. On this demo website, I'm using Elementor and I'm going to use Elementor custom code to add this chat widget code. So let's go to Elementor, go to settings and go to custom code. And I'm going to create a new code here. Let's name it as chat widget and enter the code here, and location will be head section. So it will be displayed on all the pages. Click on publish, and condition is to display this code on the entire website. Save and close. If you are using any premium theme, you can also go to the theme settings and put the code in the header file of your theme. Right, so we have added the code on the website. So let's go to website and let's refresh it. And you will see the chat widget in the bottom right hand corner. If I click on it, it is going to open all the options. You will see chat via SMS or email, chat via live chat, chat with voice, that is the voice AI agent, and chat with Facebook. So let's go to chat via SMS or email, and I'm going to add some dummy information here. And I'm going to click on send. Okay, and you will see the response here. Thank you. One of our representatives will contact you shortly. Now, if I go back to GoHighLevel dashboard, let's close this one. And if I go to contacts here, you will see that the new contact is added automatically into the CRM. If I click on it, it will give me the details of the contact. I can start the conversation with this user. I can send SMS or I can send email. Here you will see type of message. You can send SMS, you can also send email, or you can send the message on WhatsApp. Here you will see the message that is sent by the customer. I want to design a website for my online store. Now here a new contact is created. If you want, you can also create an automation for the newly created contact. You can go to automation and create a new workflow where you can send automated emails or text messages to the customer. So this is how you can add all-in-one chat widget on any website to capture the leads and convert them into customers. GoHighLevel is one of the best platforms to grow your business, and the price of GoHighLevel is starting from only $97 per month, in which you can create 3 sub accounts. If you are a marketing agency, you can go for unlimited plan, which will cost you only $297 per month, in which you can create unlimited sub accounts and you can sell all these GoHighLevel services to your existing clients. In the description box, I'll give you a link using which you will get 30 days free trial and free live boot camp. So if you want to grow your business, you should definitely try using GoHighLevel. Get a 30 days free trial. Link is in the description box. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.